Okay, so here we are. We're having the firework lighting, and we've just had one rocket go off.
Where's Matt?
We have. Oh, he's gone home for a bath.
Where'd Matt go?
Matt went for a bath. He went for a bath.
A bath?
Yeah. Well, he didn't know the fireworks were coming. So we just missed another rocket going off. We hear them go psh, but we don't hear them go bang. I'm not quite sure what's going on with that.
Give me a chainsaw. I'll give you, cut my arm off.
Okay, are we ready?
I don't know how I feel.
No. At least it's not going bang though. I mean, that's what I thought they were just going to do. Okay, we're launching another rocket.
It's the way of life.
Any minute it's gonna go. We're scaring all the birds away. He's gone for a bath. Here we go. Whoop, up it goes. Oh, I heard it bang. I heard it bang this time. Oh, and the ferry's just going out. So we know we haven't shot the ferry. We've got one more on the launch pad.
And you would have been able to command.
Well, that's quite funny. I don't know how Trixie's doing. She's over there somewhere. She seems... she's come out and played a couple of times, which is nice. Yeah, I can't see. She's not up on the deck.
I enjoyed what I did.
There's some of our neighbours having a little tete-a-tete. And there's Emma. Such a lovely evening. Such a lovely evening. Here we go. Another rocket. Okay, I think we've seen enough rockets. Happy Memorial Day.